Hi, I am Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, following topics are discussed. First topic is some definitions. Second one is characteristics of DCN. Next one, components of DCN. Next, networks and networks criteria and protocols. The first definition is data communication. First of all, what do you mean by data? The word data refers to collections of facts, concepts and instructions. Some of the form of data used in communication are as follows: text, numbers, image, audio and video. In computer system, data represented by binary information units or bits produced and consumed in the forms of zeros and ones. Data communications are the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission media such as a wire cable. Next, local communication. Data communications is considered local if the communication devices are in the same building. Remote communication. Data communications is considered remote if the devices are far apart. The next topic is characteristics of DCN. The effectiveness of data communication system depends on three fundamental characteristics. First one is delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destinations and correct user. Second one is accuracy. The system must deliver data accurately. The data that have been altered in time transmission and left uncorrected or unusable. Third one is timingless. The system must deliver data in timely manner. Data delivered late or the unuseless. In case of video, audio and voice data, timely delivery means delivering data as they produced in the same order. This kind of delivery is called real-time transmission. The next topic is components of DCN. First component is message, second one is sender, third one is receiver, fourth one is protocol, fifth one is medium. Message. The message is the information to be communicated by sender and receiver. It can consist of text, numbers, pictures, sound or video or any combinations of these. Sender. Sender is a device that sends the data message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset or video camera and so on. Receiver. Receiver is the device that receives the message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, video camera and so on. Medium. The transmission medium is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. It can consist of twisted pair, coax cable, fiber optical cable, laser or radio waves or satellite microwaves. Protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. It represents an agreement between the communication devices. Without protocol, two devices may be communicated. The next topic is networks. A network is a set of devices communicated by communication links. A node can be a computer, printer or any other device capable of sending or receiving data generated by other nodes on the network. A link can be a cable, air, optical fiber or any medium which can transport a signal carrying information. The next topic is network criteria. Network criteria based on the three categories. First one is performance. Performance can be measured in many ways including transit time and response time. Transit time is the time required for a message to travel from one device to another. Response time is elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. The performance of a network depends on the number of factors, including the number of users, the type of transmission medium, the capabilities of connected hardware, and efficiency of the software. The second one is reliability. Reliability is measured by the frequency of failure, the time it takes to recover from the failure, and the network is robustness in catastrophe. The last one is security. Security is used include protecting and from unauthorized access and virus. The next topic is protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. It determines what is communicated, how it is communicated, and when it is communicated. The key elements of protocol are syntax, semantics, and timings. Next topic is elements of protocol. First one is syntax. Syntax is a structure or format of the data. It is the arrangement of data in particular order. Second one is semantics, refers to the meaning of each section of bits. It also tells what actions or decision is to be taken based on the interpretations. Third one is timing, when the data should be sent and how fast they can be sent. Next one is example of some protocol. First one is transmission control protocol or TCP. Second one is internet protocol or IP, user diagram protocol or UDP, simple mail transfer protocol SMT, file transfer protocol FTP, and telnet. Next hypertext protocol and HTTP. Thank you for all.